40 feet long, 1 ton, this snake could crush a crocodile's skull like a walnut. Meet Titanoboa cerrejonensis, the largest snake to ever exist. It ruled the rivers of Colombia 60 million years ago. That's only 5 million years after the asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs. While mammals were still tiny and scurrying in shadows, this reptile giant took over as apex predator. Picture a modern green anaconda, now triple it. Titanoboa stretched longer than a school bus. It weighed 2,500 pounds. That's 5 times heavier than the biggest anaconda ever recorded. Its vertebrae were the size of human fists. Researchers found 28 of them in a Colombian coal mine called Cerrejón in 2009. Miners had walked over them for decades. The discovery shocked paleontologists. They had never imagined snakes could grow this large. It wasn't venomous. It didn't need venom. Titanoboa was a constrictor. Its body could squeeze with over 400 pounds per square inch. That's like having a car parked on your chest. Every time it exhaled, it tightened. Bones snapped like twigs. It hunted in murky water. It waited motionless for hours, then struck faster than you can blink. It ambushed fish the size of mattresses. It ate giant turtles with shells like armor plates. It swallowed whole crocodiles named cerrejonensis. Nothing could challenge this beast. But this monster had a critical weakness. It was cold-blooded. Titanoboa needed brutal tropical heat. It needed water temperatures around 90 degrees Fahrenheit just to keep its blood moving. Its massive body couldn't function in cooler climates. Without that external heat, its organs shut down. It couldn't shiver to warm up. It was trapped by its own size. Scientists call this ectothermic gigantism. The hotter it gets, the bigger cold-blooded creatures grow. For millions of years, the Earth cooperated. The Paleocene epoch was a greenhouse nightmare. Carbon dioxide levels were sky-high. No ice caps existed at the poles. The tropics were steam baths. Humidity choked the air, perfect for a snake the size of a subway car. Then the climate shifted. Volcanic activity dropped. Carbon dioxide levels fell. The world began to cool. Rainforests dried out. Swamps became forests. River temperatures dropped just a few degrees. That was enough. Titanoboa couldn't regulate its body heat. A reptile that big needs constant warmth to power its heart. The cooling tropics starved its metabolism. It couldn't hunt. It couldn't digest. The largest snake in history slowly starved as the world grew colder. By 58 million years ago, Titanoboa vanished completely. The apex predator of the Paleocene disappeared because the Earth cooled by just a few degrees. Climate change killed the biggest snake ever. Which prehistoric predator would you least want to meet? Follow for more.